If I say that 80% of our problems are caused by 20% of the root cause, or the average person spends 2.5 hours per day dealing with problems only. We all face problems in our lives, problems at work and problems at home. Would not be great to be able to easily solve those problems quickly and effectively? So, welcome to Tech Time Solution. Today our topic is root cause analysis. It is a set of problem solving techniques and tools that offer terms and opportunity to identify the root cause of problem. Let me give you a story for better understanding. In our society general meeting, most people were express unhappiness with the elevators as they took too long, and people were bored out of their mind while they were riding. Thus, we called for our existing maintenance vendor for solution. Vendor tried to speed up the elevators by making them go faster, but that just made people feel sick and scary. When we called to other vendor for adjustment, second vendor tried to make the elevator more efficient by improving the door and brake, but that did not make people are happy either. We were not able to understand what went wrong. By this point, the first two vendors had spent already a total of rupees 87,000 attempting to solve the problem. So, we called for another vendor. The third vendor took a different approach. They spent a lot of time understand the problem. They talked to people who use the elevator, and they observed how people interact with them. Eventually, they realized that problem was not the elevators were too slow. The problem was that people were bored. They did not know how long they would be in the elevator, and they had nothing to do to pass the time. The third vendor's solution was simple but effective. They added mirror to the elevators for entertainment. They also added a floor indicator so people know what floor they were on and how much longer they had to wait for their destination. The total cost of the solution was only 17,000. So, takeaway is that if you are facing a problem, take some time to understand it. Talk to people who are affected by the problem and observe how the problem manifests itself. Once you understand the root cause, you will be in a much better position to solve the problem. Here are some techniques that you can use to get the root of problem. 5 whys, Ishikawa chart or fishbone diagram, failure mode and effective analysis, process capability index, Pareto chart, scatter diagram. But today I will discuss on one technique only, that is 5 whys. As this is much easy and convenient for all. The 5 whys, this is simply technique where you ask why until the root cause is reached. 5 times why will uncover the root cause. For example, a general insurance company, a potential client rejected proposition for group medical insurance. Now we need to find out root cause by using 5 why technique. First, why did the client reject underwriting proposal, the because presentation did not capture ideas. Then why did the presentation fail to capture ideas? Because we did not know how and what exactly showcase them. Okay, then why did not we know how and what to showcase them? Because we did not use a holistic approach and the research was lacking. Then why did not we use a holistic approach? Because underwriting team did not properly consult with the marketing team. Then why did not underwriting team consult with the marketing team? Because underwriting team does not work closely with the marketing team. Now, as we follow the 5 whys techniques, and because of that we able to identify the exact root cause and identify solution, that is collaborate better with the marketing team to create detailed and informed presentation which meet customer expectation. If we not follow the 5 why techniques, then we may think that presentation did not capture ideas, or we're not able to showcase exactly, or the holistic approach we built in presentation, that's why the client rejected our proposition. So because of 5 why techniques we able to identify exact root cause and able to identify the solution of this problem. I will detail discuss on fishbone analysis in my next video. This technique used for basically easy visualization. It is purely visual tool. It can help to identify issue that normally would not think of. Identify bottlenecks effortlessly. Fishbone diagram visualize relationship in a process. It will able to identify bottleneck much more easily. Find opportunity for improvement. With the way process are visualized in a fishbone diagram, we can easily determine if require any kind of improvement and improve everyone's understanding. Using a fishbone diagram is a good way to ensure that everyone is on the same page. 5 whys, we mostly analyze the problem in 5 levels, while we do not have any such limitation to the fishbone, where we can add as many branches as we need. In addition, fishbone diagram recognizes and categorizes several root cause, while the 5 whys techniques analyze a single one, but way deeper. Therefore, this reason those two methods are often combined. If you feel video content is informative, which will help you and your colleague too, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.